So these are the two cups. I have to join the upper cup to the lower cup. So make sure you have right sides together. The notches have to match. And then I'll match the ends. And then I'll match the in-between. And you do the same for the other end, match the ends first. And then match the in-between. So I'll be sewing the seam at 1/4 inch seam allowance. So this is one of the cups that was seamed. Okay, this is how it looks like on the wrong side. So this is the raw edge from the inside, and I'm gonna try to finish it with the twill tape. Okay, so I would like the top stitching to be appearing on the upper cup. That means the seam allowance has to sit facing up. So with that in mind, I would like to have the twill tape covering that raw edge that way. So if I just pinch the seam allowance and the twill tape, I need to apply the twill tape this way. Okay, so let's go to the machine. So this is the twill tape being applied to one side of the seam allowance. So now I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it up, and I'm going to top stitch down the same seam on the other edge of the twill tape to close it off. So take a look. If you feel that the raw edges of the cups are peeking out from the width of the twill tape, you can go ahead and trim it. Just make sure you're just trimming the seam allowance, the raw edges, and not the twill tape. So you flip it up, and I'm going to run a second pass at the other edge of the twill tape. So that's how the cup looks like with the top stitching, and that's how it looks like on the wrong side. And I can cut away the excess twill tape at the edge. So now I can repeat the same steps for the other cup. cup is finished. So both cups are done. Now we're going to apply the power bar to it. So we need to make sure that the outer edge aligns. I'm just going to pin it. So now I'll go and do a basting stitch down the armhole and then the cup edge to secure all layers together.